Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. Today we'll be learning how to bend objects in Blender using the deform modifier. The commands we'll be using include let's say basic transformations like scaling, moving, adding loop cuts, applying the transformations and using the simple modifier. I'm using Blender 4.4, but let's say if you're using an earlier version or future version of Blender, you can still follow this tutorial. So let's get started. Let's go to Blender. First of all, I will delete all these. Press X to delete and select yes. Now I will press Shift A and I will add a cube and I will scale it in the Z direction. So I will press S to scale and then Z like this. Okay. Then I'll go to here edit mode. The shortcut for edit mode is tab and I will add some loop cuts here. The shortcut key for adding loop cuts is R. So I'll press R and then increase the subdivisions by scrolling the mouse wheel. Click to confirm. And then I will go to object mode again. I will apply the transformation. So I'll go to here object and then apply. And then I will select this one, all transformations. Next is I will go to here modifier. And then I will search for simple deform. I will select this modifier and here you can see we are given with the 4 types of modifiers: twist, bend, taper and stretch. For this tutorial I am using this one, bend modifier. Adjust the angle value to bend the object like this. Let's say I am satisfied with this one. Change the origin or axis settings if needed to control the bending direction. Finalize the bend. Let's say if the bend does not look smooth, go back and add more subdivisions. Once satisfied, apply the modifier by clicking apply in the modifier panel like this. Apply. And when I will go to edit mode, so this geometry would be part of this like this, you can see. So that concludes this tutorial. Still, if you have any question, any query related to this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask in comment section. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial.